Hello everyone, welcome to our my channel Pretty Nails and Co. Pretty Nails and Co belongs polish, makeup, body care and a more brown snagged woman. Polished advance. This belongs goes to a beyond nail polish and a cover all things beautiful. The contributor is a member of a brown beauty blogger icon. A group that houses brown snagged blogger across in internet. The blogs feature polish makeup, skin care, body care, shopping and more. Nail in it. Pretty Nails and Co. is published in French with accompanying English translation. Polish lover may be have to soft through some other topics to find what they want. No, note that the blog has a past in 200 followers. Gloss. Look for the great giveaway. Polishing the nails. Sole contributor Raha blogs about nail polish, jewelry, shopping, music videos, hot gas, and a critique. Polished advance. Since Rajaha is the form of drink mark, polishing the nails. Is in Danish but English translation appear with the click of a bottom. There are a great polish tips on this blog, but there is a lot of nail related stuff too. Nail in it. You never know what action with this blog. Even the most dehydrated nail polish addicted will appear at the association breaks in action. Florence, a hot source player in the new neck videos. Or, or the lovely silver rings that are beautiful, complete Rejaha manicures. Essays and Ned stepping and stepped. Essays Ned stepped promote the nation that nails long or short should